Welcome to Bitcoin will not go to the moon. Today I will explain to you one indicator that tells me when to sell cryptocurrency that I hold in the long run. Look, I will explain you this picture. When in short time, this means in a month, in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month and a half, maybe max, let's say 2 months, two bitcoins growth are still smaller than ethereum growth in the same time, then sell all your crypto. This in practical example would mean that if bitcoin is at 50k now, and it stay for next month around 50k, and in the same time Ethereum go from 5k to 10k, then sell. In 2021, Bitcoin reached the peak of its cycle on 14th of April. Ethereum took another 28 days from this date to grow 1.8x. You see, from 2.3k to 4.2k. This was only the mid cycle. I will explain you why. Mid cycle was only because all other my indicators told me we are not at the top of the cycle. Simple as that. Let's take another look at 2017, when Bitcoin reached its maximum price on 16th of December 2017, as we can see in this picture. Ethereum reached the peak of its cycle 28 days later. Look here, here was the peak of Bitcoin, and here it was the peak of Ethereum. We see the price in this time doubled, and it needed 28 days that this thing happened. Therefore, my ideal portfolio to hold is 45 in Bitcoin, 45% in Ethereum, and I keep the other 10% in alts. So at the end of the cycle, it can happen to me that I have 30% of Bitcoin, 55% of Ethereum, and 15% of alts. So I never sell Bitcoin at the maximum price, because if I see the price of Bitcoin is falling, and at the same time the price of Ethereum rise by factor 2, like here, or around factor 2, okay, then this is a strong signal to me that the bull market is over, but I have more indicators that I need to look. Okay? So I will tell again why I didn't sell my cryptocurrency in May 2021. I don't like trading in a short term, because in short term 98% of people are losing. They're losing their crypto, their fiat, whatever they trade. These are facts. We have 20 indicators that show me when the bear market is over. Indicators told me it was just a local top at the time in May 2021. One of the indicators just tell me that this cycle will be longer than the previous one. So I didn't see the point in selling my crypto in May of this year. However, if a friend of mine would trade in a short term, I would of course recommend it to sell in May of this year. But I don't know if I could help him to give him advice when to buy again. Okay? In some videos from the past, I mentioned that this year was also a good opportunity when the fear and greed index dropped to 10. But okay, what if this index would not drop to 10? If it would drop to 20, then I would not have a, a buying signal again. So because of this, I don't like to trade short term. Many people in short term, they are losing money. They are not patient. So I stick to long term holding. Look, we have 20 indicators that are unique in the market. I didn't saw anyone use them. They are totally free. So my purpose is to show indicator that I use myself to people that they can use it free of charge. You don't need to put any dollar into that. You can do all by yourself if you have time and the will. You can learn to use them so completely free. So follow me if you are interested into this free stuff. The free stuff doesn't mean that they are worst. They are maybe much better than listening to buy Shiba coin, Dogecoin that they will go to the moon. Okay? I'm here, a realistic guy behind this who predict the future. I am professional sport bettor and I predict future much better than average person. Okay? For those who will like to receive all the indicators on a weekly basis, write me on my Twitter that is in description below. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye.